I really like to talk and meet with other business owners across New York City and Miami and hear what they're working on, what they're thinking, what kind of problems they're having, and all that kind of stuff comes out when we're talking about really this, like the fundamentals, which is really the cleaning service. Some of the most exciting clients that we have are when there is a new retail concept opening up in New York City, new makeup lines, new kids studios, and we get to be right at the front row of what's happening. So we get to work with the new owner when they're still in post-construction. We take a look at the space before we do the post-construction cleaning, and then they also take us on for the recurring nightly cleanings. That's like some of the most exciting stuff as a business owner myself. Oftentimes people forget about the cleaning service. It's like one of the last things that they think about when they're opening a new space. But then we come in and really kind of brighten up the conversation and the whole process of opening up a new space, because it really reminds them of kind of all the exciting things that they have to think about and add to their kind of to-do list. And we're really happy to be able to be a really reliable provider and a teammate, and that's how I see us. We're not just doing the cleaning in the bathrooms and just kind of gross stuff on the side. We are really a fundamental partner in retail spaces and offices that just need to be clean so that people can work in every day.